Hair loss isn't just about how you look, it's a warning sign from inside your body about your health. Instead of just looking for quick fixes, think of thinning hair as a sign of hormone problems, not enough nutrients, long-term stress, or a thyroid issue. Every hair that falls out is like a clue for doctors, pointing to hidden health problems. Before you start taking medicine for a long time, try to understand and fix the main biological reasons why your hair is falling out. In this video, I'll talk about 12 natural science-backed ways to help slow down hair loss and help your hair grow back. Let's explore the body's processes behind each solution to get your hair healthy in a lasting way. Not many people realize that fluoride in tap water can actually affect your hair. Fluoride can mess with your thyroid gland's job, and your thyroid hormones control how your hair grows. When your thyroid isn't working well, your hair can fall out more easily and take longer to grow back. To help with this, try using a water filter or a showerhead filter that removes fluoride, especially when you wash your hair. This helps protect your hair roots from bad stuff, giving your hair a clean place to grow. It's a small step, but it's really important for building a strong foundation for healthy hair. So take charge and get rid of this problem so your body's systems and hair roots can work their best. Sulfates in shampoo are strong cleaners. They can easily harm both your hair and scalp. They don't just wash away dirt, they also strip away the natural oils that protect your hair, making it weak, dry, brittle, and prone to breaking. Sulfates can also damage your scalp's protective layer, causing dryness, itchiness, inflammation, and creating a bad environment for hair growth. Skin doctors suggest using sulfate-free shampoos, especially if you're losing hair or have a sensitive scalp. Gentle shampoos clean your hair without taking away its natural protection. Don't confuse lots of suds with clean hair. Foam isn't how you measure if a shampoo works well. Switching to sulfate-free shampoo is a small change, but it can make a big difference for your hair's health. Let's prioritize protecting your scalp's ecosystem so your hair can grow strong and healthy. Onion juice is a natural way to help your hair grow because it has sulfur, which is a key part of keratin. Sulfur makes your hair follicles stronger and helps new hair grow better. Onions also have quercetin, which is an antioxidant that helps reduce swelling and protects your hair follicles from stress. What's really cool is that onion juice can stop an enzyme that changes testosterone into DHT, which is a big reason for hair loss caused by hormones. To use it, just juice an onion, mix it with water or coconut oil, put it on your scalp for 15-30 minutes, and then wash it off. If you do this consistently 1-2 times a week for a few months, you'll really see a difference. It's a natural and safe extra step that helps feed your hair follicles right from the start. Think of onion juice as a regular part of your hair care routine. Green tea has EGCG, a strong polyphenol that fights damage and lowers swelling around your hair roots. EGCG also stops an enzyme that changes testosterone into DHT, which protects your hair roots from shrinking due to hormones. Plus, EGCG makes the hair growth phase last longer and makes the cells at the bottom of your hair roots work harder. To use it, brew strong green tea, let it cool, pour it on your scalp after washing your hair, gently massage, and leave it on for 30-60 minutes before rinsing. Doing this 1-2 times a week helps reduce damage, balances hormones in your scalp, and helps your hair grow strong. This is a natural, cheap way to use the power of green tea for your hair. Make green tea a regular part of your scalp mask routine. If you keep at it, you'll see real results. Science has shown that rosemary oil is really good for helping hair grow. It works about as well as minoxidil 2%, but it doesn't make your scalp as itchy. How does it work? It opens up blood vessels, which helps more blood get to your hair roots. It also fights swelling, protects against damage, and might even block DHT. Rosemary creates a good, steady environment, helping your hair roots grow strong from the start. To use it, mix a few drops of rosemary oil with a carrier oil, like coconut or jojoba. Rub it into your scalp, massage it in, and leave it for at least 30 minutes before washing it out. You can even leave it on overnight for better results. Using it regularly helps your blood flow better, reduces swelling, and helps your hair grow back. This is a treatment that does many good things. It's safe and works for both guys and girls. So, go ahead and add rosemary oil to your hair care routine. Zinc is a super important mineral for your hair's growth cycle, helping with protein making and hair follicle cell division. Not having enough zinc is directly linked to patchy hair loss and hair loss during the resting phase. Zinc also helps your immune system, balances hormones, and controls DHT. The best way to get zinc is through food: oysters, red meat, eggs, shellfish, beans, and pumpkin seeds. Zinc from plants is harder for your body to use, so make sure you eat a variety of foods. You shouldn't take high doses of zinc supplements on your own unless a doctor tells you to. Eating a diet rich in zinc is key to having healthy hair from the inside out. Always put good nutrition first, before looking for more complicated solutions. Your scalp has its own tiny world of microbes, called a microbiome. It protects your hair follicles and keeps them healthy. A slightly acidic pH helps the good microbes grow, and stops bad bacteria and fungi. Strong shampoos or tap water with a high pH can mess up this balance, leading to dandruff, irritation, and even hair loss. Diluted apple cider vinegar, 1 part vinegar to 4 parts water, can bring your scalp's pH back to normal. It cleans gently, and gets rid of product buildup and dead skin. After you shampoo, pour the apple cider vinegar mix onto your scalp, massage it in, leave it for a few minutes, then rinse it out. Doing this once a week helps keep your scalp's microbiome healthy, which is super important for hair growth. Apple cider vinegar is a simple, natural way to balance your scalp environment. Hair loss when you're on a keto or low-carb diet usually happens because you're not getting enough nutrients, not because you're cutting out carbs. Suddenly changing your diet, cutting down on calories or protein, or not getting enough minerals and B vitamins can cause temporary hair loss, called telogen effluvium. Make sure you eat enough good quality protein, and add unrefined sea salt to get those important minerals. Eat more seafood like fish, shrimp, seaweed, and kelp. They're packed with minerals that are great for your hair. Get natural B vitamins from nutritional yeast that hasn't been fortified. Don't be afraid of salt. Minerals are super important for your hair cells. Focus on getting good nutrition instead of just cutting out carbs. Doing keto the right way can help you lose weight without harming your hair. So adjust your diet to protect your hair while you're on a low-carb journey. An imbalance in estrogen, both too little and too much, can cause hair loss, especially in women. Hormone changes often happen after childbirth, during your period, or around menopause. These changes can make a lot of your hair go into a resting phase and then fall out. You can help your liver process estrogen by eating more cruciferous vegetables. Things like broccoli, kale, and cabbage have compounds called I3C and DIM. These compounds help get rid of extra estrogen, which lowers your risk of hormone-related hair loss. Also, make sure you get enough iodine from seaweed and kelp to keep your hormone system stable. Eating cruciferous veggies along with iodine-rich foods helps balance your hormones and reduces the ups and downs that can cause hair loss. Changing your diet is a key way to support your hormones and keep your hair healthy. A weak thyroid is a common reason for widespread hair loss. For your thyroid hormones to work, T4 needs to change into T3, and this process needs selenium. If you don't have enough selenium, your body can't make enough T3, even if your thyroid tests look normal. Hair loss, feeling tired, and gaining weight are common signs of not having enough active T3. The best sources of selenium are 1 to 2 Brazil nuts every day, seafood, eggs, and seaweed. But don't overdo it with selenium, because too much can be harmful. Making sure you get enough selenium helps your thyroid stay healthy and your hair grow strong. Long-term stress raises cortisol, messing up your hair cycle and causing a lot of hair loss. High cortisol can also weaken your thyroid and mess with your hormones, creating a bad cycle for your hair. Managing stress with meditation, yoga, and enough sleep, and being active outdoors are key ways to protect your hair. Vitamin D acts like a hormone, helping to control your immune system, reduce swelling, and keep cortisol in check. Getting 15-20 minutes of sun every day is a natural way to get enough vitamin D. Also, eat fatty fish, egg yolks, and mushrooms to get more vitamin D from your food. Combining stress management with getting enough vitamin D helps your hair recover and fights against the bad effects of cortisol. So, build a balanced lifestyle to protect your hair from stress. Your gut bugs make biotin, which is a super important vitamin for your hair and nails, but things like antibiotics, eating too much sugar, and lots of processed foods can hurt the good bacteria in your gut. This means less biotin gets made inside you, so just taking biotin pills from outside won't really help if your gut isn't balanced. A lasting solution is to feed your gut bacteria with natural fermented foods, like sauerkraut. Sauerkraut gives you good bacteria, vitamin C, and an acidic environment that helps your body take in nutrients and calm down inflammation. A healthy gut helps your hair get the nutrients it needs and make sure you're producing enough biotin. So, take care of your gut bugs to make your hair beautiful from the inside out. Hair loss is a sign of a whole body imbalance, not just a scalp issue. Don't just hide the symptoms, listen to the message your body is sending. Fixing your hormones, getting enough nutrients, managing stress, and taking care of your gut are how you get healthy hair for good. The journey to healthy hair is also the journey to overall health. Start with a few good strategies and stick with them. Getting to the root cause is always better than just treating the symptoms.